What your real estate broker should know and do for you. Your agent should be able to advocate for repairs without jeopardizing the deal. Once an inspection reveals potential issues, your agent should be able to negotiate for necessary repairs without risking the entire deal. When it comes to a home inspection, a variety of repairs will be found. Your agent should be able to determine which repairs should be made or paid for by the seller. Those repairs can be made by the seller, or the seller can offer a seller's concession, which can be used to pay for the repairs. The agent must be able to find common ground between you and the seller to ensure you're moving into a home that meets your standards. Remember, before you get your next place, be sure to visit our place, JA Home Sales. Call or text today.